Hello techies. Alright, today we have our taxi on the left pane. Let's see what the scenario is. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. Your supervisor has asked you to gather some networking information for the Office 1 computer, and in this lab your task is to use Microsoft Windows Terminal PowerShell to find answers to the following questions. So let's see what the questions are. Alright, what is IP4 address of the workstation? What is the subnet mask? So all of these questions can be found in PowerShell. So let's type in PowerShell here. Alright, so we open up PowerShell and let's start up. Alright, to be able to get all of this, we go to ipconfig. Should be able to give us all this information. Alright, so what is the first question? So the first question we are asked is, what is the IP4 address? So the IP4 address here is this. So we have an IP4 address here, 192 with copy. Let's see if this will work here. No, it didn't work, so we have to type it out. 192.168.0.33. Is that correct? Yep. And the subnet mask will be 255.255.255/24. Alright, so it will be 255. Nope. 255.255.0/4/24. Right. Okay, subnet default gateway is still 192.168.0.5. so that will be 192.168.0.5. 192.168.0.5. What is the address of the first DNS server that the workstation used for the name resolution? Alright, so we can't find DNS server here, so what we're going to do is to impute the DNS server for this. Alright, so for DNS server we are going to impute for the DNS server we're going to impute ipconfig nope, something is missing. Config space /all. So this will give me all of the details I want. Alright, so we'll ask what the DNS server is. So let's see DNS server. DHCP server, DNS server. Where could the DNS server be? DNS. IP configure. Connection description DHCP configuration IP subnet max for DHCP and DNS server. Alright, so we have DNS server here, 192.168.0.11. See, there's a mistake here. We're busy typing in the wrong place. So let's impute the so good thing when we typed ipconfig /all, it gave us all the information. So we mistakenly deleted the default gateway, so we'll just impute it. The information is still here, and the default gateway is 192.168.0.5. 192.168.0.5. Alright, so what we're looking for is the DNS server, and we have seen the DNS server here, 192.168.0.11. 192.168.0.11. and then how did the computer get its IP configuration? Let's see how this computer got its IP configuration. It should be here somewhere. Not by how did you get your configuration? It's DHCP. Alright, so from what we can see here, this is most likely DHCP. Alright, so let's check our answers, and everything seems correct. So if this video was helpful, consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.